Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that you have the lock screen pattern not recognized in your VIVO x300. So actually, this is a very common issue on every single phone, and what I do recommend, here I do have the PIN code, but it's all the same. Try to enter the just the password, your pattern lock, and when you enter your password many times as you can see wrongly, you'll see device is locked. Tap forget password, and here you'll see some instruction. You can go to vivo.com/nspassword to view details of or contact our after sales service. And what I do recommend to do is to do not lose data. Is that you can go to the authorized service and give it as the warranty. Give it to them and let them have it fixed. Of course, you have to have the proof of purchase with yourself, and it's because the certain phones won't be fixed that easily, and you have to prove that you have a proof that you haven't stolen this phone, which is very important actually. And yeah, that's the one thing. The second thing is that you can go to the authorized service and have this fixed, but here for money, not for free. And the third thing, when you when you are able to lose your data and when you don't really care about your data, is to go to the recovery mode. To do so, hold the power button and the volume down button until you see your phone goes off and it vibrates. Then hold the volume up and power. Here, now click volume down and tap power button to enter the recovery mode. And wait a moment. Now you'll have to tap clear data and clear our data over here. Of course, you have to remember that you have to remember about your Google password, Gmail password, because here in the newer phones, like for example this one or any other phone, we do have the Google FRP, something called Google FRP. This is the blockage that limits you from using your phone. As for example, you can steal somebody's phone. I mean, not you, but someone can steal your phone. As you can see, clear your data from here without having access to it, and use your phone as it was his. And this is, as you can see, the blockage that will prevent the access, unauthorized access. And after the setup, during the setup process, you will have to log into your Google account that was here before the process of resetting all data. And actually, this is the only thing that you'll do. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.